This is Janica, and for today's video, we're going to talk about supplements. At isa sa mga favorite ko supplements ay the Young Living's Green Omega 3. Kasi ang bango niya talaga. And then, in this video, I'm going to talk about kailan siya dapat iniinom or ano yung mga dapat niyang kasabay na pagkain kapag ininom mo siya. And then, ano yung hindi mo dapat isinasabay gamot kapag umiinom ka ng Green Omega 3. At anong pinagkaiba ni Young Living Green Omega sa ibang mga Omega 3 products. Start with kailan dapat tinitake ang Green Omega 3. I personally take Green Omega 3 pagkatapos ng lunch. Kasi given na kumain ako ng medyo heavy at given na merong fat sa pagkain na yon. Kasi since Green Omega is fat soluble, sa umaga kasi hindi ako nagbe-breakfast, only meal siya. So, walang fat doon. So, hindi siya ma-dissolve. Pag hindi na-dissolve hindi din siya magagamit sa katawan natin. And this gel-like capsule is packed with algae omegas and are naturally superior, providing a higher concentration po ng DHA and EPA per gram. This DHA or docosahexaenoic acid and EPA or icosapentaenoic acid. DHA ay para sa ating brain at saka eye health. PA po primarily regulates your inflammation and supports your heart and mental health. This Young Living Green Omega 3, kailangan mo lang mag-take ng 2 soft gels daily and you're gonna get the recommended daily dose of DHA and EPA. Unlike other Green Omega 3 products, kailangan nila mag-take ng madami para makuha nila yung daily dose intake. Soft gels has 330 mg of DHA and 160 mg of EPA as di hamak kaysa ibang Green Omega products. Green Omega 3 has the blood thinning properties of Omega 3 fatty acids, kaya maganda ito sa mga tao nag-iingat sa cholesterol or mas mataas ang kanilang bad cholesterol. Natutulungan silang i-manage ito. But here's what you should also remember. Do not take Green Omega 3 and ibuprofen at the same time. Since meron silang blood thinning properties na parehas, baka naman po magkaroon tayo ng gastrobleeding kung pagsasabayin natin sila. So, wag na wag nating pagsasabayin. If you want your cholesterol levels be managed, mag-Green Omega 3 ka na lang po. As Green Omega 3 is safer for you. The brands has dietary restrictions. One is the friendly supplement for all.